Yes, welcome. Let's look at this question number 29 for WAEC chemistry. Which of the following formula cannot be an empirical formula? A. CH, B. CH2, C. P2O5, D. N2O4. So which of these formula cannot be an empirical formula? Now, for you to have an empirical formula, we know that the empirical formula is the formula with the simplest ratio of the constituent elements. So it has to be the formula with the simplest ratio of the constituent elements. So which is that? Here you have 1:1 because C is 1, H is 1. Here we have 1:2 because C is 1, H is 2. Here we have 2:5 because P is 2 and O is 5. But here we have 2:4 because N is 2 and O is 4. Now, because of this ratio, you can simply see that 1:1 is in the simplest form. Here you cannot have anything that can go through and divide again for 1:2 as well. Nothing else can go through. If you divide through by 1, you still have this. If you divide through by 1, you still have this. So nothing can go here too, nothing can go through. But here, if you divide through by 2, you're going to have 1:2. So you can still bring this very D down further. You can bring it down further to have NO2. So you can actually have NO2 as the empirical formula, or the formula with the simplest ratio. So that makes D the answer to this problem. So D is the right option, NO2. So first it has to be the formula with the simplest ratio. Thank you.